Hello, fellow educators. Welcome back to JHuxtello iTech, your go-to channel for tech tips and useful information. In today's video, we'll be diving into some valuable short codes designed specifically for our dedicated GES teachers. Whether you're looking to manage your pension, health insurance, or data bundles, we've got you covered. So, let's jump right in. Slide 1. SSNIT Tier 17119 hash. Our first short code is 7119 hash, the gateway to SSNIT Tier 1. This mandatory contributory scheme ensures monthly contributions of 13.5% from your basic salary. Remember, 11% goes towards monthly pensions, and 2.5% supports the NHIS. Tier 1 is a defined benefit scheme, and the contributions are fully tax-exempt. Dial it to stay on top of your SSNIT contributions. Slide 2. SSNIT Tier 236565 hash. Next up, we have 36,565 hash, the key to managing your Tier 2 contributions under GES OPS. This defined contributory occupational pension scheme mandates a 5% contribution made on your behalf by SSNIT. Stay in the know about your occupational pension by dialing this short code. Slide 3. Gnat Provident Tier 378933 hash. For those of you who are Gnat members, dial 78933 hash to access the Gnat Provident Tier 3 scheme. This tax-efficient pension scheme is owned by the members themselves, offering competitive interest rates and tax-exempt contributions of up to 16.5%. Follow the steps on screen to sign up and secure your retirement wealth. Slide 4. Teachers Fund *888 hash. Calling all Gnat members, 888 hash is your ticket to the Teachers Fund. Established in 1998 as a solidarity and retirement supplement scheme, this fund is designed to support you in solidarity. Check out the benefits and ensure you're making the most of this valuable resource. Slide 5. NHIS Renewal *929 hash. Now, let's talk about your health. Dial 929 hash to easily renew your national health insurance card. Keep your health coverage up to date with this simple and efficient short code. Slide 6. Gnat Ashanti Bundle 80008 hash. Host. Moving on to data bundles, 80008 hash is for Gnat members in the Ashanti region. This special bundle is tailored for you, ensuring you stay connected and up to date with the latest information and resources. Slide 7. Nagrat Data Bundle 2272234 hash. And last but not least, for our Nagrat members, 2,272,234 hash is your go-to code for exclusive data bundle offers. Follow the steps on screen to choose your bundle and stay connected. And there you have it, educators. These short codes are your keys to financial management and well-being. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel for more useful content, and hit the notification bell to stay updated. Until next time, stay tech savvy and take care.